These two people represent love. We saw the ambience of love manifesting itself throughout the day, and all of us here can see love flowing.
A man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. So then, they are no longer two but one flesh. What God has joined together, let no man separate.
Tumisho, I love you for being such an incredible partner for Mona. What I love most about the two of you is how you are together. You fit so well in each other's lives. Having been there from the beginning, I know that what appeared to be seamless was the effort of two people who truly loved one another and were determined to make their relationship work.
I, Tumisho, do take you, Mona Josephine Maleka, as my wife, to love and to hold from this day forward until death parts us.
It's simple.
Yeah, that's it.
I, Mona, do take Tumisho Matlhatlhadi Tamara Makofane
As my husband.
as my husband,
As your husband.
for better or for worse, to love and to cherish until death parts us.
How?
You may kiss the bride. ondithanda ngayo, kukho indlela ondibamba ngayo, baby indlela ondijonga ngayo, baby andigqiba, yeah. Sithandwa ndithi ngabo, yeah. Andiphathwa nazintloni, andifuna ukukuba, ndifuna ukukuthanda, ngaske lingatshoni. Baby, 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 ndikuthandile, sithandwa sami, inhliziyo yami yonke, ngikuthanda.
That's typical of Tumisho. He wants to compete with the country. That on the day when we celebrate our freedom, Tumisho wants to make it his anniversary. Mewa Tumisho must be your ally. She must always be there. How fihlile? Everybody must know Khurute. I can tell you, you will survive everything and anything. Continue to say you love her every day.